Trooper here, and I got my g18c shooting test. So, I have a full mag loaded up, green gas, everything. I have propane, I just decided to use green gas to lube up the mag. So, I have, it's a Glock 18C. I have not done a review, well, at least I haven't, I just haven't put it up yet. You got the semi-auto switch and the full auto switch. It has regular Glock sights, not upgraded anything like that. It is a GBB, of course, since you guys know that. It has the licenses, 9x19, the G for Glock. It has a metal barrel. I actually already took this apart. The gun is perfectly accurate, and let's get on to the shooting test. So I'm going to shoot that water bottle over there, if you guys can see it. Can they see it? Can they see it? You guys see the water bottle? Okay. I'm not even through the sights, that's why. Yeah, let me go put it back up. And now, let's shoot fully on. Here we go. Let's hope I can hit it. I'm out. He's out. Let's get it out of gas. Okay. So, I'm gonna get my bullets and my gas. For some reason, I forgot to. Okay, so you guys stay in here. You want me to stop?